Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Ice Box. This puzzle was designed by Jared Peterson from Core Modes. Difficulty level of the Ice Box puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to open the hidden compartment. The Ice Box puzzle is a 3D printed puzzle. As you can see, it is made from a white color plastic. There is another version which has a blue color, so you can choose which one you like the most. There is a sign Ice Box on one side, and you can take a closer look at the box. You will find that there are small circle holes almost on each side of the cube. They are all part of the solution, and actually this puzzle has a lot going on. First of all, if you shake it, you can hear that there are a lot of things moving inside. And second, once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that in order to open the box and find the hidden compartment, you have to do a lot of steps, and you have to move a lot of parts of this cube. Even though it looks like a regular 4x4x4 cube, but actually it has a lot going on here, and it is quite a fun solve. It's not a very difficult puzzle, but still it is very fun to solve. And if you're a beginner and you're looking for a nice puzzle to start your collection with, Ice Box will be the best choice that you can make. Very nice puzzle, very interesting, and also a good looking one. If you like the Ice Box puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.